Hey, what's up guys? Chris here. Today we're going to be touring a 3-bedroom, 2 full bathroom at about 1,200 square feet of interior space, priced about $650,000 to roughly about $675,000. But other than that, let's not bore you. Let's go and check out the interior space. Come on in. A little bit about Community Kapili's 3-bedroom configuration here is the way that it's set up. I like the fact that every time you're dealing with a walk-up unit, you don't have a ground floor neighbor. So again, this is perfect for entertaining guests. Maybe those footsteps might kind of irritate your neighbor a little bit. This configuration, you own the second and the third floor, and then the ground floor is that 3-car garage. And this specific configuration does deeded or entitled to 1 full car garage area and 1 open parking stall. All right, so here in Kapili, there's 3 car garage stalls, and this Plan E configuration is really unique. Why? Is because you have an entrance to the car garage, and you also have an entrance here to the right-hand side. And I like that idea because, well, sometimes you maybe don't want to see other people in the other doorway, so you kind of just want to go into your garage and straight into your unit, as opposed to the other 2-bedroom configurations. These car garage actually is separate from the entrance of their property, so they would have to park their car and go outside of this common space and then into their property. But other than that, let's go ahead and check out the interior space. Come on in. We're going to enter through the car garage here. And by the way, these car garage are ready for EV installations. It does have a separate electric bill, which means you can integrate it with your EV. And all you need to do is hire an electrician, switch out the outlets, and now you have a configuration for your electric vehicle for your unit. All right, so entering into this walk-up 3-bedroom, 2 full bathroom configuration unit. First thing you're gonna see is the first bedroom. So I love this. I love that this unit has a nice separation between the 2 bedrooms on the 3rd floor and the first bedroom on the ground floor. But before we head on upstairs, let's go ahead and check out what we got here. So on my left-hand side here, you're greeted with another full bathroom, tub style, single sink. You got the toilet. And on my right-hand side here, you have your open kitchen layout. Again, I love that because if you do have guests over, at least they don't have to go into a bedroom and use a bathroom. You know, it's already right here, easily accessible. Next to this large size countertop, it is a high countertop style. Then you got your French door refrigerators. Take a look at this. By the way, this is all included in the price point of about $650,000, $670,000. And then you have your range and oven. I really like how they don't have the knobs on the upper portion here, and it's right here. It just has a more seamless countertop look. And then you have your microwave, or should I say air fryer, that's already included in the property. Deep mount sink, and then you got your washer, dishwasher area, and of course soft close cabinets. I love this is a moon dust countertop design. I love how neutral it is, so that way you can really put all the colors that you want in the living room. But one of the main features of this unit is the size of this living room. So Ho'opili, other areas, they do have more of a thinner style living room, not in E-Plan here in Kapili. This one has more of a wider unit or wider style configuration layout. And it's next to this 3-panel windows that I see here. Really perfect for bringing in a lot of lights and kind of making it more cozy here. Oh, and by the way, as I mentioned in the beginning of my video, nobody is downstairs. So if you were to jump around or maybe you have kids, you know, you won't really bother the neighbors. But let's check out the 2nd floor. 2nd floor consists of a 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom, including the primary bedroom. All right, so I'm heading over to the 3rd floor. First off, I really like how there's a bedroom on the ground floor. If you do have guests, you know, visiting the island, that would be a perfect configuration because you do have an oasis all upstairs, and then you got your kind of guest room on the 2nd floor on the bottom. But stepping into another bedroom here on the 3rd floor, this one is a nice size. I think it's perfect for kids maybe. Up the stairs, you do also have a washer dryer stacked. I like that it's next to the primary bedroom, only because you could, you know, just bring in all of your clothes. And here we are on the primary bedroom, probably one of the largest primary bedroom configuration here in Ho'opili. I'm not too sure if the video can justify it, but yes, really spacious. I'm all the way at the end of the bedroom here, and you can easily fit a king-size bed and a really long closet space here over onto my left-hand side. And you got your split system AC, and let's take a look at the bathroom. So this, right off the bat, I love it. You got the double sink configuration. I like even the fact that they included a door from your bathroom sink to the toilet area. You know, again, that's perfect. And then you got the toilet and the step-in shower right here. Nice glass doors. But yeah, that's a little bit about what you're gonna get here on the third floor area. Again, if you're interested in this configuration, this is again Plan E at Kapili over at Ho'opili's 25-year master plan community, Pohaku Estates. Just remember, 3-bedroom, $670,000, 1,200 square feet of interior space, walk-up unit with 1 enclosed covered garage and 1 open parking stall. Don't hesitate to reach out to us and learn a little bit more about brand new developments and what Ho'opili 25-year master plan community has got to offer. Thanks for watching this one.